I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're ready to capture audio now. First, open the recorder and confirm microphone and storage access so the app can write files. Next, pick your format and sample rate. Use 44, 1K HZ for voice clarity or WAV for highest fidelity. Then set a destination folder and a file name pattern that includes date or project name, which makes retrieval easier. Once done, tap the big record button and speak at a consistent distance to avoid volume swings. Now refine how the app captures sound. If there's ambient noise, activate noise reduction or a low-cut filter to remove rumble, but keep it subtle to preserve tone. Adjust the input gain so the meters peak in green or yellow. If you see red clipping, lower the gain immediately to prevent distortion. Use pause for short breaks to keep a single file. Use stop to finalize takes. Make sure to monitor levels with headphones to catch issues early. Finish by reviewing your recording and trimming silence where needed, then normalize if levels vary between sections to create a consistent volume. Export as MP3 for quick sharing or WAV if you plan to edit in a DAW. Make sure to name and backup files immediately to cloud or external storage. If you can't find a file or recording failed, check app permissions, available storage, and the app's trash folder. These fixes resolve most lost file problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.